We didn't have a strategy before, so we had people that would help with international students when they applied, but there's no strategy to recruit them to our school. So what the Mentor program did was help us identify the attractive qualities of our school that we could promote to agents and also to international students to make them want to come to George Fox University.
Well, we're a very small, very unique type of school, and what I loved about the Mentor program is that it was very scalable and very personalized to who we are, what our goals were, and what our resources were.
Before we engaged in the Mentor program, we had an international strategy, but was not a very effective strategy since we were concentrating only on a very narrow market. And through the Mentor program, we have expanded and developed a more aggressive international strategy that includes the use of agents. And through the Mentor program, we have been able to develop a plan that was going to lead us to the hiring and creation of an agent network that we can launch in 2018.
I think the advantage of taking up the ICEF Mentor program would be someone coming into the industry that's new to this. I think pretty much anybody. I mean, as far as the therapeutic world, I think it's been very exciting to see how many people understand but don't know what to do with kids that are having trouble. So I see it as a positive experience for anybody that's wanting to step into the international market.